Howdy. Welcome back to catfish.com. Just a while ago, I have casted these poles out. I forgot to bait this one. Let's go to these three at the end. Looks like this middle one pretty straight. So let's see what we have got. Got a little one. Woohoo! First cat for today. Late in the evening. Late in the evening. Just doing a little catfishing. I was bored. Had some extra worms from last weekend. I said, well, I got everything I need, but I want to go catfishing. So, here I am, catfishing away, trying to get hooks out of this. Hold on, guys. Let me get this. Hook out of here. So I've got it out. He swallowed it really badly. Hopefully, he will be able to live. Hopefully he'll live, because he really swallowed that hook bad. So, yeah, just hold on, guys. And I am just using some regular night crawlers. Regular from the Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and check this pole. I have a heavy weight on this one, so yeah, nothing on here. Yeah. Alright, that's the end of today's fishing video at catfishandcork.com. Bye. See y'all guys again. Please like and subscribe.